How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can edit Netlify website. So I've just finished creating my website right here. And then of course we could do something like open the live website itself, which is going to be this one. It looks really clean and really cool. But if you want to make a few adjustments, you could just navigate back to your project. So my project is going to be right here. Click project, click on your project, and then we could now create our edits the way we want to, or you could just select something like so. Overall, you could once again type the changes that you want to make here. You could also upload your media if you want to, so just click on the browse files to upload on this page. You could view something like your database and many more, and from there you will be able to edit your web page the way you want to. But if you want to edit the overall web page itself, we could click the visual editor dashboard. And from here, you need to have an editor account. So just look for your project, click on the preview option, and from here, you could edit your project the way you want to. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.